Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today we install our 10.25 inch Android screen in a 2018 Audi A4 that it didn't come with backup camera. That's where we put the backup camera. And we did the Apple Carplay. We did our USB dongle Apple Carplay. So as you can see, that's the 10.25 inch screen. So everything on factory works same as before, nothing is changed. You can go to radio, you can do whatever you used to do, and backup camera is there. By going to reverse, it shifts to backup camera with dynamic parking guidelines, and by going to park, it goes back to normal mode. By touching the screen, you go to the aftermarket mode. That car logo basically reads some OBD information like door open, door closed, and the other stuff are on the menu. And I'm using the MMI knob to scroll left and right and up and down on those features. I can go to apps. Here you can choose any apps that you like. You can install any apps you like, and also you can use the touch screen. And that's the Apple CarPlay. Connect my phone to the USB dongle. That's the Apple CarPlay. Google Maps is there, and the other stuff like Waze is there. On the newer iOS, you can add Waze and Google Maps to the screen. And also by clicking on Audi MMI, we go back to the main menu. There is some like trip computer here that reads the RPM and the speed of the car. By clicking on back button, goes back. And other stuff, offline map is there, and the other functions, which is like you can play even full screen movies on the same screen. Now I connected my USB storage. As you can see, I can go to play video, so it's gonna load up whatever videos I have on my USB. That's a movie I have, and it can go full screen too. Or I can go to music and play whatever music on my USB. So I have some music downloaded there, so it plays the music off my USB. If you're interested to get these type of units, you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, or you can buy them online at 4x4shop.ca. Thank you and have a great day.